buddy Ricky's house, and we're gonna get the axle thrown in finally. We already got the rear re-geared, so this thing drives a lot better. What do you say? You like how it drives?
It's definitely a lot faster.
A lot more peppier,
yeah,
for sure.
I still really can't race anybody on the highway, but
yeah.
I'd like to try to do.
You're driving a brick through the wind. I don't think you're gonna be beating anybody.
It is definitely better.
Yeah, so we threw 513s in the rear, and my buddy already get the front end re-geared and the locker thrown in, so 513s in the front, because you don't want mismatched gears. So we're gonna get the locker plumbed up today, and then we're gonna get the air compressor installed, and we're gonna get everything assembled and tossed in the Jeep. So we'll get that finished up today, and also I will show you some new tires that Nikki got for her Jeep. So just really excited about those. And we'd like to thank Chris Olson for those. So thank you, Chris, for helping us out with those. And if anybody needs any tires, hit up Christopher Olson on Facebook. He can definitely get you hooked up down in Decatur at Discount Tire. But anyways, we're on to Ricky's, and we'll see y'all when we get there, and hope y'all enjoy us slapping this whole thing together. Alright.
We got my new tires on the Jeep. You want to tell them what they are?
BFG KM3
Mud Terrain.
Pull and drive shafts. Pulling your shaft. Then we gotta pull the upper control arms after I pull the lowers. And slide the whole thing out after we pull the steering box.
Go down on this side to let the spring come off.
Okay.
It's probably going to try to fall like on its face, so let it if it does.
Okay.
Yeah, it's falling. Okay, I'm completely off. It's hooked on.
Go grab it, or we're just walking out of the
Oh,
Jeep.
it's hooked on the shop.
Not no more. Axle without. It's hot in Texas, that's all I gotta say. Now we gotta prep the other axle and get it thrown in. Alright, here's the axle all cleaned up. Got the new ball joints in. Knuckles on. We're drilling out the bushings on here. Curry uses a bigger bolt on the upper control arms, front and rear. We need to drill out the bump stops. So these are. Alrighty, let's get this thing thrown in. Hi tubers. Putting the axle in. New and approved. Got the skid plates welded on. Got the upper control or lower control arm things cut for clearance. Now we're just finishing it up. Got the new axle in, high pinion 30. These TJs come with a low pinion, so it's a little bit of an upgrade. Got the zip locker all plumbed up. Got new steering stabilizer, Rancho shock in. Everything looks good. Drive straight down the road, just as it's supposed to. And we are all ready for this trip. All right, so that takes care of all the mechanical aspects of it. Locker, gears, tires. Wanted to make sure all those bases were covered before we take y'all on this big trip that we're headed to. We're headed to Moab and Colorado all in one trip, and it's gonna be freaking awesome. And I can't wait to show you all the footage that we're gonna get from the trip and show y'all every trail that we hit. But we also did one more big thing to the Jeep, and I can't wait to show you all that. And we're gonna have a big reveal video in Moab when we get there and show you the whole thing and what we've done to it. So we're headed to Moab and Utah for a big trip. That's why we're doing all this stuff, to make sure the Jeep's gonna perform great and work awesome out there. We don't want to have any hiccups. So, but y'all stay tuned for that and all the videos that we're gonna get from the trip. And y'all make sure and like and subscribe on the channel, and check out the Instagram for any teasers that I don't get to YouTube yet. So I'll post on there before they hits YouTube. So y'all stay tuned for all those videos, and I will see you guys on the trail, and see y'all later.